How to remove credit card from Amazon Shopping app. Hello everyone and welcome to TikTok. If you want to remove payment details from your Amazon Shopping app, what you need to do is open Amazon app. Now here on bottom of your screen you will find different navigation options. So tap on this U icon. Again here on top of your screen you will find this icon, account, so tap on it. Now here on middle of your screen you will find this option, your payments, so tap on it. Now here you will find all the card linked to your Amazon app. So to delete the card, select the card that you want to delete. And after selecting it, you will find this option to edit, so tap on it. Now simply scroll down all the way to bottom. And here you will find this option to remove from wallet, so tap on it. Again tap and remove. And here you can see I have successfully removed the previous card from my Amazon app. So this is how you can remove payment details from Amazon app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.